If you're chasing a tech career in Las Vegas but feel like all the IT jobs are already taken, you're not alone. The demand for IT roles is projected to grow over 12% in the next few years. Randall Martinez, Chief Operations Officer at IT Pros Management, says, Las Vegas rewards those who upskill fast. Every certification is another door kicked open. Here's the reality. Generic degrees or cookie-cutter boot camps won't cut it. Employers want candidates with hands-on experience, practical skills, and proof they can handle live challenges. The good news? Las Vegas tech schools and programs are built to meet that demand. You can start with a certificate, move to a degree, or earn industry certifications like CompTIA and AWS. Many programs offer flexible schedules, real-world labs, and direct connections to employers. Apprenticeships let you earn while you learn. College IT programs give you project-based courses, mentorship, and access to cutting-edge tech environments, like UNLV's Tech Park. Cybersecurity is a key focus. LiveSoc Labs, compliance-focused training, and portfolio projects prepare you for the real threats businesses face today. These programs don't just teach, they prepare you to step into roles that employers are actively hiring for. For anyone ready to upskill and move ahead in Las Vegas's tech scene, the opportunities are clear. You can read the full article on our website to see which programs fit your goals. And don't forget to add this to your playlist to catch it anytime.